we have to write the answer.
Okay, so now start writing. Write the atmospheric carbon dioxide. The atmospheric carbon dioxide, then within bracket you write CO2. Okay, is absorbed by the green plants, is absorbed by the green plants from the environment. The atmospheric carbon dioxide, within bracket you write CO2, is absorbed by the green plants from the environment.
The environment, yes. Then
Through stomata. Through stomata.
through stomata. Yes. Then, ma'am.
And then it diffuses. And then it diffuses to all the palisade and spongy mesophyll cells.
And diffuses.
And then it diffuses to all the palisade and spongy mesophyll cells. What are the palisade and spongy mesophyll cells? These are the spongy mesophyll cells.
Yes.
These and these are the palisade mesophyll cells, right?
Spongy.
Have you written up to this?
Spongy mesophyll cell.
Yes.
All the palisade
And then it,
have some problem.
I'm telling it from the very beginning. The atmospheric carbon dioxide, then within bracket write CO2, is absorbed by the green plants from the atmosphere through stomata.
Yes, ma'am.
And then it is diffused, to all the palisade and spongy mesophyll cells. Then it diffuses to all the palisade and spongy mesophyll cells that contain chloroplasts, containing green chlorophylls. That contains chloroplasts with green chlorophylls.
Now I have written that content chloroplast. After that,
Chloroplasts with green chlorophylls.
green chlorophyll.
Full stop. Okay.
I'm done.
No. Now you write, there it takes part in the process of photosynthesis. There it takes part in photosynthesis. There it takes part in photosynthesis.
Photosynthesis. PHOTO.
There it takes part in photosynthesis.
Synthesis.
Yes, ma'am.
And reacts with water molecules. Within bracket, after water, within bracket you write H2O like this.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Takes part in photosynthesis and reacts with water molecules within bracket H2O to produce the food or glucose.
Then
There it takes part in photosynthesis and you stop talking, then you can hear me properly. There it takes part in photosynthesis and reacts with water molecules within bracket H2O to produce the food.
Ma'am, photosynthesis.
And reacts with water molecules. Within bracket write H2O.
what happened?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, complete up to H2O.
Yes.
To produce the food. To
Hello.
produce the food. Yes.
In transfer water loss from the plant and then H2O to produce the food. After that,
Water molecules. Water molecules, not water
okay.
loss. And reacts with water molecules within bracket H2O to produce the food or glucose. To produce the food or glucose. Now within bracket you write C6H12O6.
This is 06.
Okay.
Yes.
Now full stop. Now
Full
you
stop.
write the food is then transported to all the parts of the plant body. The food is then transported to all the parts of the plant body. The food is then transported to all the parts of the plant body through the phloem vessels. Through the phloem vessels.
To the
As sucrose. As sucrose.
Yes,
The
ma'am.
food is then transported to all the parts of the plant body through the phloem vessels as sucrose.
yes, then
And then finally, it is stored in different. And finally, it is stored in the form of starch. And finally, it is stored in the form of starch. And finally, it is stored inside the plant body in the form of starch.
Yes.
Okay, that's it.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Now, any one of you, okay, Arijit, you read this one. What you have written, read it from the beginning. From the first line, you read it. Read the answer. Have you written it? No, I'm not getting any reply from Arijit. Okay, then Samuddin, Sheikh Samuddin, have you
Hello,
written
ma'am.
this answer?
Hello, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, Samuddin, then you read this one. Read what you have written.
Okay, ma'am.
What is that? Hello, ma'am.
Hello? Okay,
Yes,
now
ma'am, you are-
Samuddin. Yes, now I can hear you. Now I can't, I can find Samuddin in the class now.
yes, ma'am. That time my microphone is making some problem.
Can you hear the answer? But fast. Fast, you will
You
have to tell.
B1. B1.
Okay. Yes.
Upper
The
left
answer that you have just written. Read
The
it
upper
fast.
layer of our leaves are transparent because sunlight can penetrate to the
Yes. Sunlight can
Not,
penetrate
not
and
that
thus lead
one. Not that one. You have just written this one. What I have
Yes.
just told you.
Yes,
Number
yes.
6.
atmospheric carbon dioxide from the environment through stomata and then it diffuses to all the
Atmospheric
palisade and
carbon dioxide is absorbed by the green plants. Write this one. The
Yes,
atmospheric carbon
yes.
dioxide is absorbed by the green plants.
Can I tell?
Okay, Aradhya, you tell it.
Yes, ma'am. The atmospheric carbon dioxide within brackets CO2 is absorbed by the green plants from the environment through stomata, and then it diffuses to all the palisade and spongy mesophyll cells that contains chloroplast with green pigments called chlorophyll. Then there it takes in photosynthesis and reacts with water molecules within bracket H2O to
There it
produce the
takes
food
part
or
in photosynthesis. Okay, there it takes part in photosynthesis. Just make it correct.
part.
It
Okay,
takes part in photosynthesis.
Part
And
photosynthesis
And
and
react
reacts with molecules within bracket H2O to produce
water
food or
molecule.
yes, tell
Hello?
it, Aradhya. Yes, Aradhya, continue.
food or glucose within brackets C6H12O6. Full stop. The food is then transported to all the parts of the plant body through phloem vessels as sucrose, and then finally it is stored in the form of starch.
Okay. So that's it. I hope all of you have written this answer.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now state 6B3. Up 6B2 we have completed in the last class. 6B3. State two functions of vascular bundles.
And that will be
So one
7B.
function, Shagnik, you tell me one function. Any one function? So
Ma'am, I
here
can
you will have to
tell.
write
Vascular
functions of
bundles
vascular
in
bundle.
leaves. Okay.
Yes, any one function.
Ma'am, I can tell.
No, Shagnik will tell this answer.
Okay, ma'am, I'm telling.
Shagnik, any one function.
It has xylem, which plays a vital role in the transportation of water components from different parts of the plant.
Very good. That is function number 1. And now second
Yes,
function, Purvasha Dash. Purvasha, you tell me the second
Okay.
function.
What is telling?
So
Yeah,
Shagnik has told us the first, you can see here 6B3, state two functions of vascular bundles. Shagnik has told us that the xylem vessels take a very important part or role in transporting the water in plant body. Now you tell me the second function of the vascular bundles.
Then these contains tubes which carry substances from the leaf to the plant, other parts of the body.
Substances means? Sorry.
Ma'am, these vascular bundles contains tubes which carry substances to form the leaf.
Or
And
which
from
types
the
of substances? Because one type of substance is already told. So only
Yes,
another
water.
another type of substance is left. So how many? Okay, Purvasha, you tell me this one. How many types of vascular bundles are there in plant body?
Vascular bundles are there in parts of the-
Who can tell me? Anyone
Ma'am,
else?
I will
How
tell.
many types of vascular bundles are there?
There are
Oh,
two
ma'am.
types of vascular bundle. Two,
Yes, ma'am.
xylem
And
and
they are?
phloem.
Xylem and phloem.
Okay, so xylem and phloem. Now Rupanjan, you
Shagnik
tell
tells
me
xylem.
another function.
Yes, xylem. That's the
ma'am.
correct answer.
Vascular bundle help to support the leaf.
Okay, vascular bundles help to support the leaves. That is also very good. That can
Vascular
also be
bundle, I
another
will tell.
function.
Vascular
Okay,
bundle
tell me.
carries sucrose to the every part of the plant through phloem vessels.
Yes, that is also correct answer. Purvasha, what you have said, that one is also absolutely correct. But what happens if you just write substance? That means something is common there. If you don't mention water and food separately, then you can write this one. Suppose you are writing that vascular bundles help to transport the substances in different parts of plant body. This you can write as point number 1. Then you will have to write in point number 2 that it helps to support the leaves. Okay. So do not
Okay, ma'am.
mention water or food in the another point if you are writing substance in common. But if you are not writing that point as substance, then you can make two different points, one with water by xylem vessels, transport of water by xylem vessels, another with transport of food by phloem vessels. Am I clear to you all?
Yes, ma'am.
You are writing
Yes.
separately water and food, then make the 2 points with these only. With one is for xylem vessel, another is for phloem vessel. But if you are not writing water and food separately, as a whole, you are writing in general and common, you are using the term substance, then make a completely different point, like it helps to support the leaves. And first point will be, it helps to transport different substances in different parts of plant body. That will be completely okay. No marks will be cut for that. Okay. This is how you should write. Now number C, most photosynthesis in plants happens in leaves. So see, one question is, name the 2 raw materials needed for photosynthesis.
Carbon
Okay, now this
dioxide and
answer,
water.
Carbon dioxide and water.
Yes.
carbon dioxide and water
Sunlight.
are the 2 raw materials needed for photosynthesis. Number 2,
Ma'am, and the question,
photosynthesis produces,
sunlight is also a raw material.
no, we will not call it raw material, because from sunlight, the photons, which are actually the energy packets, the light is actually, we call them light ray, but these are actually waves that come as the energy packets or photons that make the lights, right? So it should be called not ray, it should be called a beam of light, but we call it ray. But what the chlorophylls, they
Ma'am,
just catch
mineral?
these packets. So
Mineral?
Ma'am, mineral?
no, only carbon dioxide and water, because
Water,
minerals
okay.
are also dissolved in water,
Okay.
right? Minerals are
Okay, yes,
dissolved
ma'am.
in water.
Yes,
These are
ma'am.
the
That
two basic materials. Minerals are also needed, but they are dissolved in water. Now number 2, photosynthesis produces glucose. Describe how plants makes use of this glucose. How do they make the? How do they use the glucose? The same thing. They transport
yes,
the
yes.
glucose in the form of
Yes, ma'am.
sucrose,
Sucrose.
and after that, that is stored
Yes,
inside
glucose in
different
the
parts
sucrose.
form of starch.
in different parts of
Starch,
plant
yes.
body in the form of starch, and
Starch, which they
within
can use in
starch,
future.
within starch molecule, energy is stored for future.
Yes. And that you have written in question number C, 3C.
This is why I didn't tell you in detail this time. The same answer previously. The same question was also same.
Yes, ma'am.
Number 8. Okay. A student set up the apparatus shown in the diagram to investigate the effect of carbon dioxide concentration on the rate of photosynthesis of a pond plant. So before I tell you the next part of this experiment, you tell me the effect of concentration of carbon dioxide in photosynthesis. You have written it already, right? In controlling factors. So if we increase the concentration of carbon dioxide, you tell me the rate of photosynthesis will increase or decrease?
Increase.
It will? Yes, Rupanjar?
Increase.
It will increase because
Increase.
plants need
Yes.
more and more carbon dioxide for performing photosynthesis.
Yes,
The more
ma'am.
carbon
But
dioxide
up to a
there,
limit.
up to a limit. Yes, that is the
Yes.
optimum limit. After that
Yes.
limit, it will become constant. The rate will become constant. It will not
Constant.
increase, it
If you
will
give
not decrease.
more carbon dioxide, it will be same, stay same.
Yes, it will stay same. That is called constant. So that is also up to a
I can't
limit.
hear your voice.
The student used 5 similar pieces of corn plant and 5 different concentrations of sodium hydrogen carbonate in a HCO3 solution, which provides the carbon dioxide. So we cannot just provide the carbon dioxide directly. So what did they do? They took solutions or different concentrations of sodium hydrogen carbonate NaHCO3. From this solution, they used to get the carbon dioxide. This solution or this chemical would provide the carbon dioxide needed for photosynthesis. The student counted the numbers of bubbles produced by the pond plant over a period of 5 minutes. So after each 5 minutes, the student counted the number of bubbles produced by this plant. So what happened here? You see, so the the student observed the time by a stop clock in her hand. So she observed the time. After every 5 minutes, she counted the number of bubbles from the plant. Now the plant is, she put the plant.
Ma'am, I can't hear your voice.
Yes, ma'am. That also I am saying.
Can you now hear me?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Your
Now,
voice properly.
this
Yes, ma'am.
plant,
Now is okay.
she put the plant inside into a test tube and filled the test tube with what solution? NaHCO3, right? Sodium
Yes,
hydrogen
sodium hydrocarbonate.
Yes.
NaHCO3. Now, why she has used this NaHCO3? So that the plant can take in the CO2 from this solution. So the plant will take in the CO2 from this solution. It will perform photosynthesis, and then as a result of photosynthesis, bubbles will come out. Can you tell me what are these bubbles of which gas?
Oxygen.
Which gas is responsible for making these bubbles? Oxygen. Very good. So bubbles are always formed by gas. Whenever in the liquids, if any kind of gases are present, it will always form bubbles. Due to photosynthesis, oxygen gas is produced. The carbon dioxide that is present in NaHCO3, that will be completely absorbed by the green plant. And now oxygen is produced by photosynthesis. So this is why these bubbles will come out. If the bubbles are come out, that means the photosynthesis is going on properly. Okay, now after every 5 minutes, the student numbers of bubbles.
What, ma'am? After
First question,
Hello, ma'am. Can you repeat
after
what
every
you have
5
said the last
minutes,
one?
after every 5 minutes, the student who was performing this experiment, she counted the number of bubbles that came out. So suppose at 10:05, she has counted that 3 bubbles are there. Now she will again count it at 10:10. Okay. Or after that, she will count it at 10:15, then 10:20. So like this, after every 5 minutes, she counted that how many bubbles are there, how many bubbles are produced by the plant by photosynthesis. Okay. So this is the experiment. We don't have time to solve these questions today. Tomorrow we will solve these questions and this chapter will be completed. Then just check animal nutrition is there in your syllabus.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay,
All 2
so
chapters are
1
there.
to 8. 1 to 8. 1 to 8.
1 to 8, yes.
Okay, let's see how
2
many
chapters left
chapters
for
are left.
ending. 2 chapters.
2 chapters.
After this,
Animal nutrition and that is transport in plant.
yes.
in October,
Animal nutrition and transport, these chapters are left. Okay, so tomorrow we will
when the
start
exam will
animal
start?
nutrition, this chapter.
ma'am, when?
The marks
Yes.
of class test you will get Friday. Okay, you will get it by Friday.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay.
Okay,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay. And essay 1 exam will start?
AC1 or what?
The date is not declared yet. The date is not declared yet. Okay, you will get
Month is
notice
September.
before that. We have time for that. So tomorrow we will just start this chapter, animal nutrition. Okay. Just
Okay,
read
ma'am.
this part. Try to solve the questions yourself. I'm not giving it as your homework, but try to solve the questions yourself first, and then we will discuss it tomorrow. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
That's it for today.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Now I'm going to call your names. No one should leave the class. No one should leave the class. Okay.